in Zamfara State. You recall it's one of the states where we had the by-election on Saturday. So, and I have a text of this press conference, and I'll read it to you, and then we can have some discussion on that. The heading is the PDP, our party, exposes APC's plot to use security to muzzle Zamfara State constituency by-election. The People's Democratic Party is alarmed by the continuing emasculation of the Nigerian democratic space by the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu-led All Progressive Congress government. This is currently playing out in the conduct of the by-elections in various states of the country, with particular reference to that of Karana Moda South State constituency in Zamfara State. Available reports reveal that Karana Moda South constituency by-election held on Saturday, 16th August 2025, was marked by massive intimidation, threat, and harassment of the voters by APC-controlled security agencies. Photographs and video evidence reveal the brutalization of voters and cutting away of ballot boxes by heavily armed security personnel who boasted that they were acting on orders from above. As a result of induced intimidation and suppression of votes, the election, which was overwhelmingly won by the PDP, was curiously declared inconclusive. That crazy word that was invented in this country, inconclusive. In 5 polling units, 5 polling units, 5, with the intent to enable the APC manipulate the electoral process and allocate the victory of the PDP in the election to the APC. In their desperation to subvert the will of the people in the rerun election scheduled for tomorrow, Thursday, 21st August 2025, the APC, in an operation which allegedly have the involvement of a minister from the Zamfara State, is currently deploying, and this is important, they're currently, as we speak, deploying full battalions of the Army, the Navy, the Air Force, the Mobile Police Force, and the Directorate of State Services, DSS, from Abuja. They're actually deploying from Abuja and other parts of the country to just 5 polling units. 5 polling units, and you have those armaments going to war, as it were. The aim of this nefarious deployment is to force a siege mentality on the people of the constituency, intimidate, terrorize, and prevent them from coming out to exercise their constitutionally guaranteed rights to vote. Having realized that the APC has been roundly and soundly rejected by the people of Zamfara State. Intelligence available to our party reveals that the APC intend to use the security agencies to bully and prevent the officials of the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, from conducting a free, fair, and credible electoral process, as well as assist the APC to manipulate and declare a result that is at variance with the express will and aspiration of the people. The implication of this ugly development under President Tinubu's watch is that it constitutes a clear and present danger to democracy, stability, and corporate existence of our country. Knowing from history that the Zamfara people are not a conquered people, but always standing firm to defend their rights in the face of any aggression. Our party invites Nigerians and the international community to note that the APC's resort to set back intimidation and force in election is a clear signal of the creeping totalitarianism and one-party state which the APC has stated as its cardinal goal in our country. This is a recipe for crisis. Our party also calls on Nigerians and the international community to hold the APC responsible should there be any breakdown of law and order in Karanamoda South State constituency of Zamfara State or any part of that state for that matter. Moreover, the PDP and of course the people of Zamfara State will not, and for emphasis, will not. And we're serious about this because enough is enough of the APC and the shenanigans. Moreover, and I take that again, the PDP and of course the people of Zamfara State will not accept any result that is at variance with the express will of the people as evidenced by the already collated results from Karanamoda South State constituency. It is clear, and the APC should know, that Zamfara State is a PDP state, and the people are standing firmly with the PDP and Governor Dauda Lawal, who has turned around the state with the implementation of life-enhancing infrastructural, human capital, and citizen empowerment development programs, and will never surrender to the assault of the APC. The PDP therefore calls on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and demand for immediate halt in this APC plot to use security forces to undermine democracy and subvert the sovereign will of the people to freely elect their own representative. I will end with this emphasis. The PDP and the people of Zamfara State will not accept any result that is at variance with the express will of the people of Zamfara State, particularly from that constituency, the Karanamoda South State constituency, wherein the collated result shows the direction of the wind, which is in favor of the PDP. And it is, you must begin to appreciate why this anxiety is there. We're deploying this number of battalion of security agencies, 5 units. And thank you very much for coming and for your time.